Okay, I'm going to show you a few glitches. The first one is how to get up there. So first you go over here. My heliclimb technique from the last video, do it here. You should catch it. Heliclimb here, go to the left, get up here, and high jump, and strike right there. Get here. And then do the 3-3-3 Alligator 3-3-3 technique. You do the charge boot, throw the decoy, and then do a high jump, and then you should make it onto that. See, sometimes you'll grab, sometimes you'll just make it. See, and you're up here. So that's pretty cool. And I really haven't found anything with this, but there are a few things, other things you can do. Like you can go back here. Sometimes you can get in here and then you can go past that wall, go down there if you want to, like this. Yeah. Go down here, you're here with these guys. I don't even know if you're supposed to be over here. Let's get back up there. Now, high jump again, do the climb, just do the same thing, put it in. Sometimes that striking can be kind of hard, but you can get over here, get onto this one, go over here, okay. Get over to this one, get over here, and if you go down here, you'll be right here. Okay, next. Okay, here I am on Joba. I'm going to redo the glitch of my first video, the Joba glitch video. So, here we go. High jump here and strike. High jump again. You can just jump over to skip that, or you can go over here, get over here, and when you're here, you can either double jump and glide onto that, or you can do it this faster way. And then you start walking, glide again, and then you get on here. And there you can get back that way. See, go up here, get here. Aim for the charge boot. Keep going until you get over to the other side, and then you and skips. But I already did it, so don't really know. So next. Okay, I'm on Bolden, and here's a glitch where you can skip the levitator courses without the first person wall climb. Come up here, get your decoy this, and then go in and quickly jump and strike. You should make it up. Crap, messed up. Let me try that again. It's kind of confusing, but okay, jump, crap, and push me through. Okay, and you're in. I'm just hitting the button, and you're done. Okay, next. Okay, here I'm on Tabora, and this is the last glitch. So get out your decoy. Put a decoy right on that. Now put another, like somewhere here. Let me put another just to make sure. Well, I think that's good. Now activate it. He'll keep walking, and eventually it'll load, and then he'll go to the next spot. But something weird happens. Now watch this, when I try to get back. It automatically makes you stay. See? And then it just keeps doing that. And that's weird. And even though though you're here and you've got the glider, you can't do the course and then use the teleporter at the end because it will just do the same thing. So the only thing you can do is die, and then you'll see you're back here. So, well, that's it.